My name is G. Lee, and I'm the President and CEO of Northstar Technologies. Northstar Technologies is a managed service provider that specializes in small to medium-sized businesses. AM West is a loan origination and servicing company. They're multinational. They're based out here in the Southern California area, but they have locations throughout the globe, as well as on the East Coast. Currently, they have about 300 employees, but they're rapidly expanding. We came in at the right time and proposed an alternative solution in moving to Microsoft Azure. We decided to use Nerdio for Azure with AM West, mainly because of some of the POCs that we had done. In what set Nerdio apart, I can mention two very distinct experiences that we had. One was their technical support was second to none. What we found was that we were able to set up, with the assistance of the technical support, Nerdio in almost no time. And any questions we had were answered. Because of the tools that Nerdio provided, we were able to, within 15 to 20 minutes, set up the whole infrastructure. I mean, that includes, RDS gateways, ADFS, integration to Office 365, all the session hosts. It was a pretty streamlined, easy experience. Sizing is one of the toughest things to do in any kind of RDS infrastructure, and Nerdio brought that type of experience. The provisioning and migration process was amazingly simple, and it really took 15-20 minutes on the Nerdio portal to provision out all the infrastructure that's necessary to deliver proper RDS and integration to things like Office 365, as well as Active Directory Federation services. Well, the end result of the Nerdio Azure migration was amazing. The whole infrastructure worked beautifully. The benefits of using Nerdio for Azure was the wonderful control plane that they provided. This gave us status updates on the performance of the various elements in the infrastructure. It also gave us a way to even manage the Office 365. So we can manage Office 365 through its native interface. We can also manage Azure through its native interface. But Nerdio brought all of that together in one control panel where we can manage the whole thing. And even if we were to do it manually, as far as like say Office 365, there may be multi-step processes we need to do to accomplish one thing. In Nerdio's control plane, we were able to actually distill that into one task. And Nerdio had already scripted all the other tasks, so it made it much simpler to actually administrate and manage the whole infrastructure. I would say that without that kind of knowledge, experience, and technical assistance that Nerdio gave us, we're not sure that we could have faced all the different and overcome all the different challenges that come with any kind of complex project like what we did. And for us, Nerdio really came through on those. It was just, it felt really like Nerdio had our back. And so for us, that was just indispensable. Really, it's almost like the ultimate support contract.